Let's go ahead and make this 7-Up pound cake with a lemon glaze. Let's get into it. We're getting ready to make this lemon lime 7-Up pound cake. I've never made one of these before, so I'm really excited, but I know back in the day, this was like all the rave. And I was like, let me make one. Let me see if it's really something to it, okay? So we're gonna start, all the measurements will be on my website. I'm just gonna start putting stuff in, but all the measurements will be on my website, divinecuisine.com. If I don't say one of the measurements. So we have some butter, and you want everything at room temperature. So all your liquid ingredients or anything like that you want at room temperature. And so we're gonna add as we go. So we're gonna cream the butter. I'm gonna put the other 2 sticks in, and we're gonna cream it, and then we're gonna add our, so we're gonna put all 3 sticks in of butter. And I have salted butter, but if you don't have salted butter, then you're gonna need to use a pinch of salt if you have unsalted butter. But this is Kerrygold salted butter. Okay. We're gonna just cream the butter, and then we're gonna add 1 egg at a time. And I have 6 eggs here. So we're gonna just do 1 egg. I kind of got 2 eggs in there, but try to do 1 egg at a time. Now our last egg is going in. I'm going to add some sour cream. And this is another ingredient that I have never used before, sour cream. But sour cream is supposed to get it more moist, the cake, of my understanding. So this, we have 1/4 of sour cream. Mix that into the, we're gonna add our milk, a tablespoon of lemon juice, a teaspoon of lemon extract, and then we're also going to do our soda. So I have Sprite, but you can use 7-Up or any type of lemon lime soda. And we're gonna do 3/4 cup of that. 1, 2, and 3. A teaspoon of vanilla. This is flour and powdered sugar. I don't use granulated sugar, I use powdered sugar. And so I've sifted, I use cake flour actually, but you can use regular flour. But I have cake flour sifted and also the powdered sugar sifted, both of those together. And we have 2 3/4 cups of cake flour and 3.5 cups of sugar until we're finished. Okay, y'all, so we got the last bit of the flour. Okay, so I'm gonna take the batter and gently like just pour it around. And now we're gonna go ahead and put this in the oven at 300 degrees, like I said, for 50 minutes. So it looks like this. All right. Okay, y'all, look how beautiful the cake turned out. So now it's nice and cooled. So we did it at 300 for about an hour. Hour and 5 minutes we did it for, and then we let it cool for about 35 minutes. So now I'm gonna make a lemon glaze. So I have some powdered sugar, I have some fresh squeezed lemon, and then we have some milk, and we're gonna start stirring this, and we're gonna see our consistency as we go. So this is kind of like eyeballing how thick you want your icing glaze to be. Okay, y'all, so we made this 7-Up pound cake. This is my first time making it. It looks so beautiful, so pretty. We put the lemon glaze on, as you've seen. So I'm just gonna go ahead and taste, and let's see what it's giving. Let's see what it's giving. That's good. Oh, okay. This is real good. This is a damn good cake. Oh my God. See that color inside? It's so moist. I taste the lemon lime of it too. And I was skeptical about the lemon lime, like the soda and stuff. I was like, it's moist. And then I did the sour cream. Okay, so let me tell you the things that I usually don't do that I have never tried before. The sour cream, the soda, the 7-Up or lemon lime soda. We used Sprite, but it was lemon lime Sprite. Everything else was fine. Those were the 2 things that I've never used in a pound cake before. It was good. I don't know if it made it moister with the sour cream, like they said, but I mean, this is a moist. Oh, and milk. I never used milk before in there either. So the sour cream, the milk, and then the lemon lime soda. And that lemon lime soda, it gives you more of that lemony lime taste, more on the lemon side, because we did use lemon extract and we did use fresh lemon juice in it as well. Damn good cake. Very, very good cake. One thing I would do, I'm gonna try next, instead of using the soda, maybe use fresh lime juice and fresh lemon juice. We have fresh lemon juice in here, and see if there's a difference in that. If not, I'll go back to the soda. But it's a very good cake. To get this recipe and more, go to divinecuisine.com. Love y'all, Shay.